Beautiful views of Pocasset Harbor from this special property that has been renovated with design and style. Enjoy the open floor plan with state-of-the-art kitchen, gorgeous granite, enhanced lighting, and deluxe appliances. A gas fireplace is in living room with surround sound system. There is a first-floor master bedroom with private bath, 2 additional bedrooms, full bath, laundry area with washer and dryer included. Office or den is off the living room to the attached garage. Hardwood floors, air conditioner, central vac and crown molding are throughout. There is a built-in wine bar with multi-temperature wine refrigerator and creative lighting. The stylish nautical staircase leads you to the large family room and sliding glass doors to the new private deck and ocean views. Beautiful sunsets. The property is on a double lot with irrigation system. The private backyard has a stone patio, amazing jacuzzi tub, large outdoor shower and storage shed. Deeded easement to beach. Close to restaurant.